As you can see, I have a set of our risers inserted on my table, which makes it 8 inches higher. One question we often get is, will you come up with a version that has caster wheels so that you can reposition the table? Well, not in the near future, because our risers are designed so that you can easily reposition your table without removing your riser to access whatever you may have behind the table. That said, I can reposition this table with whatever's on it. However, if what's on top of the table is heavy, we recommend that you remove some of the weight to avoid putting the extra stress on the risers when you move them. Another option that we offer is our non-slip foot. This application would be appropriate for people that want the table to stay fixed on a hard surface such as a laminate, vinyl tile, or concrete, or other types of hard surfaces. We'd love to say, lift your table and save your back.
Lift your table and save your back.